Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. This lecture we're going to look at the exam blueprint. Now you have chosen a very interesting time in which to take this exam. Currently in 2018 there are two exams. There's the old exam and the new exam for the Certified Solutions Architect Associate. The old exam will be retired sometime in July, August, September of 2018, and then after that you'll only be able to do the new exam. Now of course the very first thing everyone asks is which exam should I do? So we do have a in-depth video where we basically explore the two exams. The link is on our YouTube channel, so the link is below. If you do enjoy that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it. We always have new updates as to AWS this week, every single week on that channel. So we do explore it in quite a bit of depth as to the new exam versus the old exam. When I filmed this, it was a beta exam. It has now come out of beta, so it is just called the new 2018 exam. So which exam should you do? Well, my recommendation is to do the new 2018 exam. Don't worry, we do still cover some of the content, well, all of the content in the old exam in this course. So you will be able to take this course and choose either the old exam or the new exam. You will still be able to pass both. So don't stress about it. Just do this course and then you can choose which one you want to do. And if you go over to Google and type in AWS Certified Solutions Architect Exam Blueprint, just scroll down. It'll be the very first link that's not advertised, and just click on that. So it's aws.amazon.com/certification/certified solutions architect associate. And they do a really cool little summary here as to which exam you should take. So this is the new exam released February 2018. This is the old exam. My understanding is they won't be updating this much anymore. All the new updated questions will be going into the new exam, which makes sense. If you scroll down and we go all the way down to time to complete. So notice here that with the new exam, you've got 130 minutes to do 65 questions. With the old exam, you've only got 55 minutes to do 80 questions. So you actually have to do questions in less than a minute in order to pass the old exam. I would recommend doing the new exam now. It does cover a much broader area of, of technologies. The old exam would cover very specific areas and ask you very technical questions, whereas the new exam now covers a much broader range of services, and they won't ask you as much technical questions. They're more trying to understand that you have a good understanding of the AWS platform as a whole. So if you scroll up, we're going to go ahead and click on the exam guide. Go and click on that, and this will give you the exam blueprint. And you can scroll down. It says that you should have at least 1 year's hands-on experience with AWS. Don't worry, in this course we assume you have no experience whatsoever. We are going to walk you through and we have an explain it like I'm 5 approach. And you've got all your exam preparation down here. Note the exam content, it always consists of two different types of multiple choice. So you've got multiple choice with one correct answer, and then you've got multiple choice where you have to choose 2 correct answers out of 5 options. And if we scroll all the way down, we can have a look at the different domains. So the first domain is domain 1, design resilient architectures. It's worth 34%. Define performant architectures is domain 2. That's worth 24%. Specify secure applications and architectures is 26%. Domain 4 is design cost optimized architectures, which is 10%. And domain 5 is define operationally excellent architectures, and that's worth 6%. So throughout this course, we'll basically cover all these domains. We don't break this course into a domain per section. The best way to learn AWS is actually to start using it, getting your hands dirty. So in this course, we're going to start with identity access management, which is where you go in and set up all your users, your groups, etc. Then we're going to look at S3. S3 is one of the oldest, services with AWS. It's a place where you just store your files. Then we're going to move on to EC2. And EC2 is just the virtual machines of Amazon. So you'll start provisioning virtual machines in the Amazon cloud. Don't worry if you've never logged into a server before. Again, we're going to show you how to do all that. And by the end of the EC2 section, you'll actually learn how to architect websites or applications that don't even need virtual machines anymore. And that's called a serverless approach. And serverless is becoming basically one of the hottest areas in tech right now. Everyone's trying to move to serverless architectures. So we are going to teach you all this as you go throughout the course. You're going to learn an awful lot. And I'll quickly show you how to book your exam. So if we just go over to aws.training, that will load up the training website. Go ahead and sign in. Sign in with your account. If you haven't set one up, go ahead and set one up. Just use your normal Amazon.com account, so the same one that you use for Amazon.com or .co.uk or Amazon Prime, whatever. Okay, so I've signed into my account, and what I want to do is just go ahead and click on my transcript. There is some free digital training available on their website. Do check that out if you've got the time, but it's not only some of it's certification focus, which is the Certified Cloud Practitioner. Most of it's on just the actual technology. So go ahead and click on here where it says Find Your Achieved Certifications in your AWS certification account. That is going to redirect you over to the Training and Cert page. And this will be your certification account in here. You can see here I've got all my different certifications. What you want to do is just go in and hit Schedule New Exam. Once you've hit that, what you do is you're given the options. So if we scroll down, we're going to see in here the Certified Solutions Architect Associate, and then the Certified Solutions Architect Associate released February 2018. So this is the new one, this is the old one, and if you can choose which one you want to do, I'd recommend doing the new one simply because it is, you've got a lot more time and a lot less questions. So yeah, that's how you go ahead and book your exam. So hopefully that hasn't been too confusing. Like I said, two exams currently. They're going to get rid of the old one sometime towards the end of 2018. I'd recommend doing the new one, but you can do this course and expect to pass both. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, let's move on to the next section. Thank you.